So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell websites to small businesses, a simple basic tutorial. So if you're struggling to get your first client, or if you want to scale up your business, and if you're an existing web designer and finding clients, I would show you the best way to sell your website to small businesses. So guys, before I begin, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So stay tuned and watch till the end. And now let's get back to the video. Let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna give you one easiest and the most simplest method is one step ahead method. It's very easy. I've posted the link down below as well. I've made a video about it. I'm not gonna make it again, but I'm just gonna explain you. It's very simple. Go on Google businesses. Literally there are hundreds of businesses coming every day. Okay, they are registering in Google and they are coming in every day. Okay, so that's the best place to start. Once you go over there, open up their website. If they don't have a website, what you do is one step ahead method. So basically you make a website. Okay, and creating a website in WordPress is very easy. Check the video down. I create a website in 5 seconds. Imagine 5 seconds. So go there, check it out. So basically you create a website, you put their logo in, you put their tagline in, make it as per their brand theme, and hardly it will take you 5 to 10 minutes. Once you are done with that, call the business, because when you go on Google businesses, their number, their email ID and everything is there. And if it's a new business, usually it's always the decision maker's email ID. Call them up. Okay, don't get shy, call them up, and or just email them that, I've created a website for you. This is your website. This is a sample website. I could make it much better. Tell them about, I could increase your site speed, I could help you get more leads, and provide them a complete package. Okay, so provide them with social media. So when you send the website, tell them that you would be able to provide a complete package, provide them everything. You can provide them with content writing as well. You don't have to do it, you could outsource it. There are a lot of people who do it. If you don't know how to create a logo, you can outsource it. Okay, on Fiverr, on Upwork, you can do that. It's very easy. Just provide them a complete package. So think about as per if you're a business owner. Okay, you don't just want to create a website and then write the content from somewhere else. You provide them a complete package, they would be satisfied. And if you're new, okay, so if you're specialized, then it becomes much easier, because then you can show your portfolio and that's it. But then if you're just new, if you're trying to find out, the best place is Google businesses. I've linked down the video over there. I explain you everything, how you could create a website in 5 seconds, create a template, send it to them, and trust me, 70% of the time they would agree, or you'll have a meeting and you'll get the project. This is the most simplest way. It requires a little effort. That's the reason it's one step ahead right now. At this time, before 5 years back, people used to send cold calling emails. I would be able to help you in SEO, create websites. It used to work before, cold calling. Now you need to go one step ahead and also provide a complete package and provide them, value as well. So tell them about how they could start making leads online. Tell them about Facebook advertisement, YouTube advertisement, Instagram. Tell them about everything. Provide them value. The more value you provide, for sure they would help you back again. It's how it works. And again, so once everything is done, so just try approaching a lot of businesses. The first client is the most difficult one. Once you get it, so let's say you got in one niche. So let's say you got in to create a website for a construction company. Okay, so now that you got this one website. So find similar clients. Again, the 80-20 principle. 20% would give you 80% of the results. So find and become an expert in your niche and become specialized, and that's it. So that's how you sell websites to small business owners, and it's very simple technique. I hope that's it for today's video. And if you would like to learn more about web design and how to start a web design business from home, or how to get more clients, the business model and everything about it, I've created a free course. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.